God, get at your boy. You try to poke on, fall back, I go hard on this lonely road, trying to make it home, doing it by my lonesome, pissed off flow song. I see them long, hard times to come.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. As you see, I'm on the CBR. I'm leaving work. Got a pipe burst underneath the road there. That sucks. Fucking boss helmets. Fogging up on me bad. Anyways. Well, if you're new here, just checking it out, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, it really helps out. Make sure you go over and hit up my Instagram. That's where all the good shit gets posted. I switched over to this boss helmet. I hope this video is usable. This double bubble windshield, I hate these. I did put my little Hero Session 4 on here too. But I hate these fucking double bubble windshields that put so much wind right up here. And the boss helmet is a shit helmet anyways. I just needed a change up. And it puts so much wind in my helmet, it just makes it loud. And it's actually, this helmet works great actually on the Harley. It's like super quiet. But on this bike, it's loud. A lot of wind into me. Anyways, I want to do kind of like a answer video for one of Chopperfett's video he put out the other day of what kind of videos or topics do you look for, or do you do? And my response in his comments was, I personally like doing randomness videos where I just kind of talk about bullshit. I've done topics for so long, it's just old. I don't want to do it anymore, as I'm sitting here doing a topic video about topics. I don't know, I just don't enjoy it anymore. Change it up. And I think one of the other things that he asked was like, what kind of videos do you like watching? But I think he referenced more to motovlogging stuff. You know, what do you like to watch? How-to videos and shit. I mean, we all watch how-to-do videos because there's always something we got to do to a bike or something. And what's the best way to figure out how to do it? You go to fucking YouTube and you watch a video of somebody else doing it. So there's the answer to that. This guy gonna give me he's gonna wait on me? He is gonna wait on me. I got the right of way. Anyways, so I've always done topic videos like most everybody has. But I like doing the randomness. Where you just talk about random shit. He also mentioned about doing personal life stuff. I mean, I didn't get too personal in my videos for, I would say, about a year after starting YouTube, and I've been doing this for over 5 years now. But after about a year, I started getting a lot more personal, and here recently, I've gotten even more personal. But I still keep a few things private. Oh shit! I better do this. There we go. Pretty lights. I don't know, I'm not a huge fan of doing topic videos anymore. I've already said that like 2 minutes ago. Let's see how well this video comes out. If I'm even getting audio, my audio has been fucked up lately. But speaking of YouTube shit, man, I don't know if YouTube is just not notifying about my videos or what, but my last 2 videos, I've gotten less than half of the views I normally get on videos. Usually range anywhere from 90 to 120 views on a video, which is fine. That's what I've always usually gotten. My last 2 videos was like in the 30s and 40s. And that's pretty fucking low. One was a random video, and what was the other one? Shit, I don't remember what the other one was. Fuck. Oh, my childhood stories. Those usually don't get fucking good views anyways, the childhood stories. But random videos usually do. So, I don't know. It's kind of weird. It's kind of weird. How many of y'all went on ride and don't use the clutch to shift? 99% of the time, I don't use clutch shift. Yeah, see, I can hear the wind bad on this fucking helmet. I stick my head up here like this, it's fine. It's not bad at all, pretty quiet. Get down here, bam. Wind like a son of a bitch, it makes my visor whistle. It's quite annoying. Or if I get way tucked down in here, oh shit, I'm about to lose my damn GoPro. Motherfucker. Well, that sucked. The mount didn't fall off, it just came off the mount. What the hell? Oh, I'm about to put it on upside down. Let's see if I can do this while I'm riding. I'm gonna get back up in there. This is not working with one hand. There we go. I just happened to look down and didn't see it, and then it was sitting there on the porch. Thank God. Oh, I fell. Hope it's a good angle. Oh, I didn't get the mount on straight. God damn it. It's all halfway facing off the side. Oh well, that'll be alright. Anyways, yeah, so this Voss helmet I'm not super happy with when it comes to a sport bike. And that's kind of sucks because that's what Voss kind of models after, sport bikes. I've had it for like 2 years. I only wore it like 6-7 times because I wasn't happy with it. But I don't know, it's actually kind of quiet right now coming home. Last night going westbound, it was super loud. I might have had it more of a headwind though. It might be behind me this morning. Who was that used to do that daily 100 or daily 150? Oh yeah, I remember that one dude that was in Texas and he moved to somewhere else. Say his name, start with an M. That's who it was, I remember now. Anyways, where's the angle? I hope the angle on this camera's good. I'm trying new shit, man. It's like, I'm always worried about it. It doesn't help that the front of this bike is dropped, but the back isn't. But it's so Nicole can ride it better. She's a shorter girl and she needs to be able to touch. I might go ahead and drop it back. It has lowering links on it, so I might drop it. Goddamn, I always feel like I fucking still need another gear in this thing. Oh yeah! Who uses the clutch? Do you always use your clutch? Do you only half the time use your clutch? I just start, even slowing down, I won't use the clutch. I'll just throttle blip it down. I guess. There we go. I guess I really didn't need to make noises. Y'all can probably hear it. Chopperfett did. What does everybody like to see or kind of floats to watch? I don't mind watching typing videos. I don't mind watching random videos. I don't mind. I mean, I try to watch everybody's video I can. And it really doesn't bother me what it's about. I mean, if it's boring, I'm not going to finish watching it. But and I expect the same. If people's watching mine and they find it boring, they stop watching. I mean, fuck it. If it bores you, then it bores you. I used to have that mindset that I wouldn't post anything I wouldn't watch. And I had that mindset for a long time, and then it's like, nah. As long as it edits out good, I'll post it. That's all I really care about. But anyways, don't forget to go over, like I said before, hit the Instagram. That's where all my really good stuff gets posted. Mini Cooper is going. If you're new here, check out one of the other videos. Hit that subscribe button, that like button, comment, share, all that good stuff. The like button really helps out creators. I said I'm not sure why my other videos just aren't getting any views. I don't know if anybody knew they got posted or anything. I mean, I know Nicole never got notified that I posted those videos. I'm wondering if that happened with some other people. I mean, I lost some subscribers when I made that hashtag support is bullshit. It was a joke. But I already gained all those back and then some. But I still ain't getting views, so I don't know. It is what it is. It's more a curiosity thing for me. But anyways, I'm going to finish riding home. Hopefully y'all are watching this and you made it this far and the audio's good, and I think it might actually turn out good. So as always, dream about me and I will catch you on the flip side. Later.